Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is the 23rd video for Django e-commerce website, and in this video we are going to work on cart. So first of all, we will open the detail page, and from this detail page we have implemented already the variations, color, sizes, and I have explained everything in my previous video. Okay, so now in this video we are going to add the cart. Okay, so by default I have set the value of 1, and when we add to cart, then we will send the Ajax request to the server, and instantly we will add the data in the session. So we will add to perform the add to cart functionality in the session. Okay, so we are not using database. We will use database only if user is logged in. Else if some guest is browsing this website, then we will use the Django session. Okay, so when we click on the this button add to cart, then we will send the request to server, and the server add the data in the session, and then we will perform all the functionality. Okay, so you will understand all the things when we start to work on this. Okay, so if you have any question, any query, then please add in the comment section, and please subscribe this channel, like this video. Okay, so let's start to do this. Okay, so I will open my product detail page. So here is my product detail page. Okay, so in this I have settled out the, this is our, where is the, this is review, this is add to cart. Okay, so I have settled this value 1. Okay, now when we click on this add to cart button, then we need the color, selected color, selected size and price, and we also need the product ID. Okay, we will save the product ID with product name and all the things, so that in future if a product name changed, then we have the history for the same product. Okay, so here we have a add to cart, and now we will, here we will add the input type hidden. Okay, and this hidden will contain the product ID, and the value will be product ID. So data, so we have a data, you can say data, this title, we have a data ID. Okay, and we also need a product title, so this will be a product title. Okay, and with the help of jQuery we will use the jQuery to get the selected color ID and the selected size, and with the help of jQuery we will also get the price, and when we click on this we will get this quantity. Okay, so let's start to do this. I have already created the custom.js file, so we have a custom.js file here. I have opened this. Now I will create the functionality add to cart, and here I will add end. Okay, so okay, so this is the ID I will add. Let's add to cart button, copy, and now when we click on this, I will also upload the all code. I'm also uploading the all code on the GitHub, so you can download the all the project from that website. So add to cart where quantity, so this quantity will be our this class. This is not add to cart button, this will be product quantity. Okay, So this will be id, so I will hash dot value. Similarly we will get the all things. Okay, so this will be our product id, so this product id is this class. Okay, and similarly we will get the product title, and we need the selected color and selected size. Okay, so here we are adding the active class for selected size, and for the selected color we are adding the focused class. Okay, so we will get that. So first of all let's console this. So I have a product quantity, product id, product title. Let's check the functionality. So I will open the console, click on this, nothing is performing. Click on this. Actually we need to hard refresh the page. So 1, 2 and product 1. So we have a quantity 1, product title is 2, here is the product id, and product title is product 1. Okay, now we need to get the color and size. Okay, so what we are doing here, we have a focused color. Okay, so we need a selected color and selected size. So here we will get the color id. Okay, we will get the color code. I think we will fetch the color code and color id with the help of product. If we need that, then we will add in the future. Okay, so let's start with this quantity, product id and product title. If we need that color and size, then we will add. Okay, we also need the price. So product price. So product price will be, we need a text. So this price will be product price, and we need a text. We will use text method. Okay, so now we have all the things. Now we will send the request to the server. Okay, so let's send the request. So this will be Ajax and end. So $.ajax. So I will copy the filter. I will copy from the filter function. I will copy this. Okay, and here add to cart, and this will be our data. So the first is id. So this will be our id. Second is quantity. So this will be our quantity. Third is product title. Fourth is price. So this will be our price. Okay. And we will let's get the context of this clicked element. Okay, so here we will define the attribute disabled true, so that when we are adding the data, sending the data to the server and performing the server things, then we want to disable this button. Okay, and after the success we will enable it. Okay, now we need to create the route for this add to cart, and then we need to create the other things. So we will open the urls.py file, and here we will add to cart, and we will create add to cart functionality, name it views.py file. We will perform all the things: add to cart, delete to cart. Not in this video, but in this series we will perform all the things. Add to cart, and this will be our request. Okay, so we will return JSON. We will simply return JSON. We are not returning the template, but we will simply return the JSON data. Okay, what we need to do, first of all, we will create the session. So this will be our cart product, and this will be our dictionary, and we will here cart, and this dictionary will be string request dot post. We will get the ID, and here we will create the title will be, here we will the title. Similarly, we will get the price, we will get the quantity. So this will be quantity, this will be price. Okay, so here we will be quantity, and this will be price. Okay, so our cart product is, so here we are sending the data. We have created this dictionary for the cart. Okay, let's return this. Let's return this. So whatever we send, we will return the same thing. Okay, let's refresh this. It is saying something, sorry. So it is saying that, okay, we need to do something here. We are returning the data. This problem, refresh this. Okay, so in this console we will check the data. We will click on this, and this is the server internal error. Something is multi-value dictionary dot, okay, we need to use get, because we are not using the post method, we are using the get method. You can also use the post method, but if you are using the post method, you have to send the CSRF token. So click. So it is again, name cart is not defined. Okay, so this will be a cart P actually. Okay, so when we click on this again, okay, I will do this comment, this click button. Okay, so here we have a data. This is to title, this is the product ID, title, quantity, and price. Okay, now we will, okay, let's refresh this and click. This is the, okay, we will see the issue why it is why it is clicked 2 times. Okay, we will see this. But firstly, we will create the all let's create the cart functionality first, then we will see this why it is clicked 2 times. Let's use the bind method. click on this. Okay, again it is working 2 times. Okay, no issues. Maybe okay, it is working 2 times. Okay, I will check this. So let's continue to the cart. Okay, now we have sent the data and we are receiving the data. Now let's create the session. So here we will use if cart data in request dot session. So in Django you can use the session with request dot session. Okay, so if data is exist, then we will do something. If data is new, it means card dot session is not exist in the request session, card data is not exist in the request session. Then what we want to do? So we will create the card data and add this cart underscore p. Okay, and we will send this data, cart data. Okay. Okay, if data is exist, then what we will do? So first of all we will check the data. If data is exist, then we will check if the same this id is exist, if this product is exist in this session, then we will cart data equal to this session. Okay, and then we will increase the value of this product quantity. We will increase the quantity of this product equal to 1, and then we will update this cart data. Okay, else what we will do, we will get this data. Okay, we need one step more. We will add this data like this. Else if product is not exist in the cart, then we will simply update this update will be used in a dictionary. If that particular dictionary is not exist, then this update will be add in the existing dictionary. Okay, so first of all we are getting the session, then we are updating the data, and then again updated data we are adding in the session. Okay, so here we are doing the additional step. If product is exist, then we are increasing the value by 1. Okay. In this case we have a one another case. If user define 5, then what we will do? Okay, so here we will add a request dot quantity. So every time if user click on this, then we will, okay, let's start with 1, then we will see that what we can do. Okay, now we have created the data. Let's refresh this. Let's click on this, click network, add to cart. So we have a data 4 10 1. Actually I have created this data before, so let's first of all let's delete the session. Let's delete this. What is wrong with this? run the server again, refresh this. Okay, so when we click on this, so we have a 2 and the price is 200, quantity is 1, product is 1. Okay, now if we click on this again, then what we will do, what it will do, click on this, quantity is 1, but the quantity should be, so the cart data, okay, I will use my reference that I have created before this making video. So this is the cart data plus 1 update cart data. So we are updating this cart data and we are adding this. Okay, we are doing the same thing. Let's refresh this again and click on this. The quantity should be increasing, okay, because whatever we are adding here, it should be added in that product. Okay, so here what we are going to do, we will get this, we will add this data plus we have, we are adding this plus in the session. So here we will add the quantity, this will be our quantity. Okay, so we are adding the current quantity in our session quantity. Okay, so this is our session quantity and we are adding the this current quantity. So this will be a int and this also be a int. Okay, cart p, this will be like this. Okay, okay, now refresh this page and we will add to cart. It is working perfectly, but it is not increasing the quantity. Let's add 2, add to cart, the quantity is 2. Now let's add 4, add to cart, the quantity is 4, and let's add to cart 6, add to cart, the quantity is 6. Okay, so it is working correctly. Now what we need to do, one thing we are missing here, I think, if we have we need to add this data. If our product is already in the cart, then we will update the quantity with the add to cart button. Okay, so here we will do this. Let's refresh this page, add to cart, and the quantity is 1. Let's add to cart, the quantity is 5, 10. Okay, so it is working correctly. So we are added the data in the cart. Now we need to show the number of products here in the header section. Okay, so our number of product is only one, so it should show one in here in the header. Okay, so what we will do, we will open the base.html file, and I will add here the span tag, and I will add the class cart quantity. Okay, cart quantity, cart list. Okay, so default will be request dot session dot cart data length. Default will be this. Okay, so here you can see that it has one. Whenever we load this page, it will show the current length, but when we click on this, it should also show the current length. Okay, so we will modify this with the help of length. So this is the data, and we will also get the cart list total items length session cart. Okay, so we will get the length and dollar cart dot text. Here we are going to show the length of items, not the quantity of items. Okay, so we will show the length of item. So response dot total items. Let's refresh this page, and we are going to add to cart. So it will add to cart this product with the quantity 1. Okay, now let's go to another product. Let's go to this product and add to cart. Okay, so it is showing nothing. Let's refresh this. Okay, let's go to the network and add to cart this. So it is showing. What we are doing wrong here, we are updating the cart. So here we have a data, product item 2, total items 1. Here we have a data, this request dot session request data, request cart data request dot session, and our quantity is this. So we are updating the quantity. Okay, request dot session, this is our data, cart data, else I will reference this form I'm doing. Here we are need to add the P, because we need to add the current data if ID is not existing. If ID is not existing, then we need to add this data in the session. Okay, so let's add this, refresh this page. Okay, so this is the item actually added before. I will go to the home and this product and add to this product. So it is showing again, it is showing the okay, let's rerun the server, refresh this. Okay, let's delete the, oh my god, I'm deleting the data actually. But this point is valid because we want to add the new data. If that product is not exist, then we need to add this data, but we are deleting every time, we are deleting the first data and then we are adding the current data so that it is showing nothing. Okay, so let's add this. So what we have second product. Now let's go to the home and let's add this product, and I will open this and let's see, add to cart. So we have total items 2. Okay, and here you can see here we have 2. Okay, now let's go to all products and go to this product and let's go to add to cart. So we have 3. Okay, so in this video we have learned that how to add the data in, how to add to cart, perform the add to cart functionality with the help of session. Okay, so in this view file I have added the code, and in the custom file we have added the Ajax. Okay, so in the next video I will perform the, when we click on this we will show the cart list. Okay, order of total item list, then we can update, edit and do the other things. Okay, and we will also modify the code. So please add your comments, okay, about this functionality, and like this video, share this video as much as you can, and if you have any doubt or any issue then please add in the comment section. Thank you so much.